three of us are going to randomly move around out the stage. And as soon as one of the other improvisers calls freeze, they will stop in a position and they will start a scene from that. Every time freeze is called, they'll have to lock up. Next person in line will run in, tag one of the people out, and they'll start a whole new scene. And apparently I'm one of the people starting, so.
Me too.
Whenever you guys want to. Freeze.
Okay, sweetie, if you could just bring that over here, okay? Okay, it's gonna be perfect. These cool toys, the kids are gonna love them.
I'm so happy that you came to make my party even better.
Oh, girl, that's what I do. You call, and then I make everything beautiful.
Perhaps you could not.
Sometimes that we're here, there's no way to keep me there. Let's go see Randy the reindeer.
I was hoping to see the cavemen exhibits.
The cavemen are right next to Lepsa, right to the right of the fish that smells bad.
Oh, the
Yeah.
salted type of.
Yes, we are bad Norwegians, we don't remember the name.
Great.
But it's-
Now, I know you're a French chef, and I've been waiting all night for the pastry, and you're still not giving it to me, and I don't think that's fair.
You,
Can I just have one?
you thank very much. I will bring you one. One croissant.
Even though I didn't go to summer camp with you?
No, you will be coming to summer camp with me. We'll be going to
So to get the croissant, I have to go to summer camp.
summer camp where there's a beach and a blanket.
Is there something in the croissant?
Sure.
Freeze.
Sniff that. That's lemur guano. That came from a lemur.
That's just so gross. Why do I have to guess that? That's good.
Darling, I'm a scatologist. I told you that when we stopped there.
But it was my grandmother's. It's been in my family for hundreds of years.
Just a yo-yo.
Especially yo-yo.
Yeah.
You're really good now.
You're not going to shoot me with that laser gun, are you?
What do you think?
Wait a second. You've got it set on kill. You meant stun, right? Oh, you hold that thing so nicely.
Hey, that's my movie.
So if we just move the whole thing over here, yep, we're gonna put it down there. Oh, you know, I don't think when I'm supposed to use your hands, I'm supposed to do it that way, but you know what? It seems to work. Let me get this. Freeze.
my king.
Now, God, I can pick it up for you.
Oh, God. Could you do that again over here?
Freeze.
All right. This is the biggest sawed-off rifle I can find.
Oh,
Give me all your Starbucks beer.
okay. You want the mocha or the caramel?
Oh, man!
I'm sorry, no, I misunderstood you.
I need something to sniff before I go play basketball. Freeze.
And then he left me to pursue a life of crime after stealing all of the diamond necklaces he had initially given me. It was so confusing and heartbreaking. I just don't know how I'll ever love again, Mom.
Where sometimes they say it starts with a touch. Freeze.
Oh, I do say, it is so kind of you to take me out to this dance.
Well, you know, I wanted to go to the goat stomp with your sister, but she had the typhoid, so I could not. So I settled for you, my darling.
Oh, I do declare you give me the baby.
Oh, my.